Hello, now I'm going to show you how to connect SQL Server to Visual Basic. First, you need to create your SQL Server file. In my case, I named it food T. T stands for table. Contains pizza, burger, ice cream, hot cake, hot dog, food stuff. I already created the program here to connect because I'm having some delay problems. But still, I'm going to explain every line of this code. As you can see here, I already created a data grid view and a button. I named the button display because when we press this later, the table will show up here at data grid view. Now for the codings. First is the import statement .data.sql client. This will let us use some commands for SQL. Dimcon as a SQL connection will create the connection. I used con as a variable. Dimcon string as a string. This line here is the source of the SQL or the database. Con is equal to new connection will represent the connection. Dim DA as SQL data adapter will connect the data to Visual Basic. Dim DT as new data table is where the data is put from the database. Dim DS as new dataset is the data we are going to get from the database. ds.table.add open close parenthesis dt will create the table. Con.open open close parenthesis will open the connection. DA is equal to new SQL data adapter. Open close parenthesis select from food td, comma, con. This will get the data we need from the database. da.fill open close parenthesis dt. This will put all the data from the database to the table. Data grid view 1.data source is equal to dt.datafloat view. This will display all the data to the data grid view we just created. And finally, con.close. These codes are inside the display button. And now we will test it if we can connect. As you can see here, the data from our SQL is displayed at the data grid view. Okay, that is all. I am Nick Anthony Idris Reyes from BSIT 222 and thank you for watching.